to enable or disable video ringback tone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search video ringback tone. From here, scroll down and search. You will see video ringback tone is here. So if you want to enable video ringback tone, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see video ringback tones is enable. So if you want to disable video ringback tones, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see video ringback tone is disabled. So you will enable or disable video ringback tone from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable video ringback tone on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.